The world of video is changing. HDR is here and is going to replace SDR video in the near future. Our choice as filmmakers and creatives is not if we're going to work in HDR, it's when. But how do we make that change? There's a lot of information available about HDR, but most of it is technical or the first impressions of artists and colorists. Wouldn't it be great if there was a resource that could help creatives and technical people alike to get up and running in HDR to help us all make the best and creative use of the medium? That's what I thought, and that's why I've spent the last year working on a new project I'm announcing today, masterhdrvideo.com, and my inaugural course, From Scene to Screen, the HDR Image Pipeline. In this course, I'll cover everything you need to get started in HDR, including the basics of shooting for an HDR finish, and the basics of color correcting in HDR. I'll be adding 2 more courses that build on these techniques in the next couple of months, Advanced Shooting for HDR and Advanced Grading in HDR. These will help you deepen your understanding of the creative use of the medium. My goal with the platform is to consolidate the demos, explanations, walkthroughs, reviews, deep dives, and courses that I have and will continue to produce on HDR into one learning portal to make them easier to find and to deliver this content in the highest quality HDR. I've built my own custom streaming service on the back end so that I can deliver HDR at a substantially higher bitrate and quality than YouTube or Vimeo, while adding HDR support for every computer, phone, tablet, or television that has HDR support. I have a help doc on the site that explains how to watch in the best HDR on every device. Getting this all to work was a challenge, and I'm going to make a video about why that was and what I had to do to get it to work shortly, which I'll post here on YouTube and, of course, on masterhdrvideo.com. So head on over to masterhdrvideo.com to sign up for notifications for when new content launches, or to sign up for your first courses and start mastering the medium of HDR today. See you there.